Once upon a time, in a small coastal village, a young boy named Liam found an old, dusty map in the attic of his grandparents' house. It had a big, bold X marking a remote island. The map's mystery intrigued him, and he wondered what could be hidden there. With his backpack filled with essentials, Liam decided to embark on a journey to find out what the X on the map led to. He waved goodbye to his grandparents, who smiled and wished him well. "Stay safe and come back with stories to tell," his grandmother said with a twinkle in her eye. As Liam sailed towards the mysterious island, dark clouds gathered in the sky. The calm sea turned turbulent, and a fierce storm erupted, with thunder and lightning cracking the sky. His small boat was tossed around by big waves, and he clung to the map, determined to reach his destination. Amidst the chaos of the storm, Liam's determination never wavered. He held onto the map, his beacon of hope, and steered his boat through the tempest, determined to reach the island. Liam's boat eventually reached the mysterious island. He docked it on the rocky shore and followed the map's guidance, which led him to a hidden cave entrance. As he stepped inside, his heart raced with excitement. The cave was dimly lit, and the air was filled with the scent of salty ocean breeze. As his eyes adjusted to the dimness, Liam couldn't believe what he saw. The cave was filled with glittering treasures, chests of gold coins, sparkling gemstones, and ancient artifacts. It was more than he had ever imagined. Liam couldn't help but gasp in amazement, and his eyes sparkled as he realized the extent of his discovery. But he also knew that he wasn't the only one who might be interested in this treasure. Word quickly spread about the treasures hidden on the island. A mysterious stranger, dressed in rugged attire, arrived on the island. He had heard the whispers and rumors, and his eyes were filled with greed as he saw the wealth inside the cave. The stranger approached Liam, offering to buy his map. He promised him a fortune in exchange, enough riches to change his life forever. Liam hesitated, torn between his desire for wealth and his love for adventure. In the end, Liam accepted the stranger's offer. He handed over the map, and the stranger handed him a small bag of gold coins. The weight of the coins in his hand was substantial, and he couldn't help but imagine all the things he could do with them. The stranger, grinning triumphantly, rushed into the cave, leaving Liam standing on the shore. Liam couldn't resist the urge to check the cave one last time. As he stepped inside, his heart sank. The cave was completely empty. The chests of gold, the sparkling gemstones, and the ancient artifacts had all vanished. The stranger had taken all the treasures, leaving the cave barren. Liam sat alone on the beach, the waves gently lapping at the shore. He held a seashell in his hand, turning it over and over, lost in thought. He realized that the true treasure wasn't gold or jewels. It was the adventure, the journey, and the memories he had created. It was the lessons learned along the way. He thought about how the pursuit of wealth had led to greed and the loss of the true essence of his journey. The stranger had taken the material riches, but he had missed out on the intangible riches that filled Liam's heart. With the wisdom of his adventure, Liam sailed back to his village. The sea was calm, and the sun set in a blaze of colors on the horizon. He hugged his grandparents, who were relieved to see him safe and sound. They listened intently as Liam shared his incredible journey. His grandmother smiled and said, "Liam, it's not the treasures you find but the stories you bring back that make life truly rich." Liam's heart was full, and he knew that he had found a treasure far more valuable than gold, the treasure of wisdom and the joy of the journey. And so, Liam's journey to the mysterious island taught him that the greatest treasures in life aren't always made of gold but can be found in the simple joys of adventure and the wisdom gained from lessons learned.